Today we are going to make a winter special and truly royal dessert Shahi Gajarela. It is not called the gift of winters without a reason. Its taste truly wins the hearts. Here you can see how creamy, rich and perfectly textured it has turned out. Every single bite is filled with the royal taste of milk, carrots and dry fruits. If you also want to make perfectly creamy Gajarela at home, then without any delay let's start the recipe. So here I am going to make this gajarela using approximately 1 liter of milk. For this I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice which I had soaked about 2 hours earlier. As you can see, the rice has now become nicely soft. Now we will gently crush the soaked and soft rice grains with our hands so that they break properly. You can also lightly crush them in a grinding jar or a mortar. We do not have to grind them into a very fine paste because then the kheer will not get the traditional look and taste that we want. As you can see, because the rice is already soft, it has broken down very nicely. Now we will keep this aside. Now in a separate pan we will take about 1 liter of milk and first let the milk come to a nice boil. As soon as the milk starts boiling, we will mix it well once. Now the broken rice that we kept aside, we will add it to this boiling milk. Along with this, I have taken 3 medium-sized carrots which I have grated slightly thick. The carrots should not be grated too finely. They should be grated a little thick like this. Now we will add these carrots to the milk as well and mix milk, rice and carrots properly together. Now we will let this cook on a completely low flame. At this stage we have to cook the milk until its quantity reduces to almost half. And while cooking, make sure to stir it every now and then so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. Now you can see that the milk has reduced to half and the carrots have also become completely soft. Now we will add about 200 grams of sugar along with half a cup of finely chopped dry fruits. To enhance the taste and creaminess even more, I am adding half a cup of milk powder here. If you do not have milk powder, you can skip it as well. After adding everything, we will again mix it very well with the milk and once again cook it on a low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes while stirring in between. After cooking it nicely for about 1 to 1.5 hours, you can see that this gajarela has set beautifully and is completely ready. Just look at the texture, how creamy and rich it looks. Now to add even more richness, I am adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream according to my taste. After adding the cream, we will mix everything once again very well. And now we will turn the flame completely off. Now you can clearly see the final thickness and texture of this gajarela. Just by looking at it, you can tell how delicious and creamy it has turned out. To make the presentation even better, we will add a little cream on top. If you have cream available, do add it, otherwise you can skip it. Lastly, we will garnish it with finely chopped pistachios. You can garnish it with any dry fruits of your choice. If you like to eat this gajarela hot, you can serve it immediately while it is warm. And if you prefer it cold, then keep it in the fridge for 2 hours and serve it chilled. Just one small tip, while keeping it in the fridge, cover it properly so that the top layer doesn't dry out and become hard. So do try this delicious and super creamy gajarela and comment below to me how you like this recipe. If you enjoyed the recipe, like the video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.